Caleb, yo, all right. Well, I'll be real with y'all. I already went over the news, and I've re-recorded this video 5, 6 times. I'm not even joking, 5, 6 times. Reason being is I don't want any misinformation spread. I don't want to misspeak. I don't want to make any mistakes on this because the wording in it of itself is very, very, not necessarily confusing, but I can understand where people will twist information, even by accident, as is. And I'm saying this like not even purposefully or maliciously. So going into it, new Transcendence function. Unlock 6-star characters, latent capabilities to power them up. Transcendence function will be added with the version 9.2 update. They specifically said late September, okay? So this is coming soon. This isn't coming later down the line. This is coming later down the fucking week. Like, this is coming soon, guys. What is Transcendence? New way to power up your 6 stars based on your character's special move level and last sentence right here, as you can see here, what's more, Transcendence stat boosts are applied directly to the character's base stats. The reason that in and of itself is incredibly important is that, say a character has 2000 stamina, like base stamina, and you use like a captain's robe with plus 80% like stamina, that character is gonna have, what is it, 1600? That character is gonna have 3600 stamina without link slots, without without any other accessories, just that one captain's robe, right? And you might be thinking, it's like, why would they have base 2000 stamina? As you see here in the screenshot, stamina level 7 gives 650 stamina to this Bond Ichigo's base stamina. Yeah, just take that in for a little bit, okay? So let's just get into it, and then I'm gonna give my overall thoughts, opinions, and what they could do to make this right slash more available. Because this is one of the things that I believe that these stat boosts are so significant. Like I was okay, you know, like opinion hopes in the building. I'll do this at the end because it's gonna turn into a whole rant. Okay, let's just get into it. All 6-star characters, both resurrected and non-resurrected, can perform Transcendence. Obviously, Transcendence slots, 5 basic stat slots, and 1 extra stat boost slot that gets unlocked after you get special move level 5. A number of slots you can unlock for a character depends on the special move level. Once unlocked, you can assign one of the 5 basic character stats. Now, as you can see here, each stat can only be set in a single slot. The reason that is important is because now you cannot do spiritual pressure, spiritual pressure, spiritual pressure, spiritual pressure on all 6 slots. The reason that that's important is, as you saw, one slot is incredibly significant. Plus 750 stamina. No, plus 650 stamina at just level 7 is incredibly, I think it's incredibly significant. Like, imagine Noitoras be running rampant with 2000 base stamina. That's insane. You cannot set the same stat in multiple slots. You can then use the power-up materials and coins to increase the level of the bonus the slot gives to the stat. So they're going to give out scrolls, and you have to work for them, which kind of... I don't feel good about that, to be honest. Like, the scrolls that you get them from Chronicle Quest, but like, who the hell wants to waste their soul tickets on Chronicle Quest? You can do it in Epic Raids, but I'm not sure if they're going to be limited. The extra stat boost slot is unlocked at special move level 5. Confers a further bonus to one of the 5 base stats selected at random. So you have a 20% chance of getting stamina, attack, or spiritual pressure. If you get defense or focus, feels fucking bad, man. The extra stat boost lottery is activated by either by using Transcendence points acquired by selling characters or by using an identical character, i.e. a character of the same name, attribute, and thumbnail. That's important. By using an identical character, a character of the same name, attribute, and thumbnail image as the base character, irrespective of whether the character has been awakened or resurrected to the base character. The reason that's important, a lot of people are saying, it's like, oh, you could use any Ichigo, you could use any Orihime to like work into another Orihime. No, it needs to be a dupe. Like, it has to be a duplicate. Powering up basic stat boost slots. Transcendence scrolls, Hogyokus, and Hogyoku wills and coins are required to power up basic stat boost slots. Transcendence scrolls can mainly be acquired from epic raid medal exchanges and chronicle quest exchanges, and come in 3 different types: essence, attribute, and affiliation. Essence, attribute, and affiliations. They actually don't go over that, which sucks. Like, I wish we got more information. Extra stat boost lottery. Selected at random from either the extra stat boost lottery or the extra stat boost lottery. What? Oh, or the what? Oh my god, this is gonna be fucking cancer. The extra stat boosts are selected at random from either the extra stat boost lottery or the super extra stat boost lottery. The lotteries require either Transcendence points or a character identical to the character's base character to activate. Transcendence points are used to activate the standard extra stat boost lottery and can be acquired by selling characters. So you can sell your dupes for Transcendence points. The standard extra stat boost lottery contains every rarity of the extra stat boost. The super extra stat boost lottery contains only the highest rarity extra stat boost, but requires an identical character to the base character to use. A character. Okay, so you. What the fuck? Oh my god! So you need 5 dupes instead of 4. The super extra stat boost lottery contains the highest rarity extra stat boost, but requires a duplicate character. You cannot use Transcendence points for the super extra stat boost lottery. So PvP's dead. Like, let's be real here, PvP's fucking dead. If you're in head captain and you're not a whale, get fucked, kid. That's all I can tell you, to be honest. Now, let's go into this. Finally, I can give my actual thoughts. I think that this is really bad. Originally, when we discussed the dupe system, I was thinking maybe something significant, right? Something significant, but nothing too crazy. And the reason that I didn't want anything crazy is because a lot of these characters are already usable. A lot of these characters, are, for the most part, are already pretty busted for most of the content in the game. Raids, Inheritance Zone, Droplet Zone, we get like ×3, ×5 killer, which is absolutely unnecessary. But plus 650 stamina, and that's only at level 7. Keep in mind, guys, that a level 9 link slot gives plus 15% stats of the character that you link onto it. When that level 9 goes to level 10, it goes up by 5%. It goes up to 20%, and it doesn't go up by 1 or 2 like it normally does. Every single 5 link levels, level 5 is 10%, level 10 is 20%. So it stands to reason that a level 10 link slot might not necessarily be like 950 or 1,000 stamina. It might even be 1,200 stamina. It might be something stupid. Now, I don't believe that they're going to give you extra stats of spiritual pressure, because most characters are, like I said, like 1,100. Like, say a character is 1,100 stamina, 780 spiritual pressure at 640 attack. That's base. That's like the average for characters with frenzy, right? I don't believe that they will give us like 1,000 spiritual pressure to our base stats. I think that'd be fucking retarded. But I do think that they might give us like 1,200 stamina, maybe 800 spiritual pressure, or like 800 attack. And the reason that I'm saying like 800, which is like higher than the base stat, I actually don't think it's gonna be higher than base stats nowadays. But I wouldn't be surprised if this is a way that they're gonna do to future-proof the game. But I think you're gonna kill your game. Like I really think that you're gonna kill your fucking game. Like, a character, for the sake of the argument, let's say that all your stats get doubled after you unlock all your 5 link slots, right? And then you get the extra stat boost that you activate with your Transcendence points. You're gonna have a character running around with like 2,000 base stamina, like for the sake of the argument, let's just do 800 SP, so it's easier to round up, easier to do all that, like the multiplication. And instead of 1600 spiritual pressure, you're going to be running around with a character with 2400 base spiritual pressure. If you have the super duper transcendence points things. And that also means that you don't even need a 5. That also means that if you have a 5 out of 5 character, who gives a shit? Because a character with a 6 out of 5 transcendence slot that got... Oh my god, I just realized that you have to be lucky on that too. Damn, imagine you get your 4 dupes. You get your character 5 out of 5. You get another dupe. You feed them into the character. You unlock the super duper transcendence extra stat boost lottery. And it goes into focus. Or it goes into defense. Or it goes into stamina. You just wasted that dupe. Like, that dupe is gone. And you're going for like a 20% chance of getting the spiritual pressure if you're like going for Tech Eisen. If you're going for Noitora, then stamina and attack is good, right? But like for PvE characters, bro, stamina is not really all that necessary. A lot of us use Kaizen links. Like, yo guys, this is really bad for the game. I see why people are triggered. I even had a couple people in my in my content creator Discord, like the Discord that we as the content creators have like separately, so we could just discuss without bias. A lot of people are not happy. I'm not happy. I'll be real with y'all. This is bad. I'm also hoping that they would announce that they would sell duplicates and shit, like maybe like a dupe item, kind of like Devilmon or like the little Ascension Stone, I think it's called, in Naruto Blazing, where it counts as a dupe. I was hoping that they would announce that they would be selling something like that, because like I have a lot of characters 4 out of 5, right? Yeah, let's go here. Yeah, like I have plenty of characters 4 out of 5. I have a lot of characters 5 out of 5. But like you're telling me that now I need another dupe on top of them? Like I need another dupe? I mean, my Yumi Chika is gonna be stacked. I think I actually have a duplicate Dangai. If it goes into his attack, that'd be kind of nice. Let's do this. And normal attack damage. Do I have a dupe Dangai? Yes, I do. So I have 2 chances. But if it doesn't go into attack or stamina, that's gonna suck. And then again, he could be a really stupid, crazy hybrid character. I hope he gets a really good awakening, but strong attack damage. Yeah, but like Fullbring Ichigo, like I don't even have him special move level 5. And then you're telling me that I'm gonna need a dupe so that I can unlock his super duper extra character slot, so that I could triple my spiritual pressure instead of quote unquote simply doubling it, bro. Yo, Caleb, what the hell are you on about? I don't know what to think about this, guys, but that's not good. This isn't healthy for the game. I'll be real with you. Like, Caleb, you need a fucking, like, who in the character development team? Yo, y'all need to stop smoking that fucking meth, bro. Like, let's be real here. This is fucking retarded. You telling me that I'm gonna have triple my fucking stamina, but I'll have double my SP? Like, PvP is already a shit show. I was expecting like 20% boost to your stats, maybe even 15, maybe even 30% per stat boost lottery. I was actually thinking that it would be like minuscule gains, like maybe like, oh, plus 100 SP, but you could have like SP on all of your slots. But you're telling me that my character is gonna double in strength if I get all the dupes? And like, don't get me wrong, I think the incentive for whales to whale is important for the health of the game, just to stay up. But this is fucking retarded. I will say this though, guys, I will say this. As long as the characters' power levels are the same and like they maybe add a marginally higher level content, because since we all can unlock the extra stamina, we all can unlock the extra SP, we just can't unlock the second slot SP or stamina, you know what I'm saying? So like if you get like one dupe, like the character is pretty much already incredibly more powerful. Like you one dupe, and the character is literally double in strength. Because you get double, like almost double stamina, almost double spiritual pressure. That'd be great. But I'm overall not really happy with this. I was hoping it would be marginal gains, not really like insane stat boost. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll be reading all the comments for this one. This is someone else. But I'm gonna leave it at that. You know, this guys grind on, catch you up, pick me up, stay blessed. I gotta grind my I gotta get these guys to level 200. Stay blessed, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.